Ride shotgun with me on this episode of Double Nickel Road Trip as Lexi and I overland Padre Island National Seashore. Subscribe below. Sometimes a friend from the past pops up when you least expect, but when you need them the most. Missy, an elementary school classmate of mine, has been following my journey on Facebook, and when she realized I was close by, she invited me to set up camp in the backyard of her business property. The yard afforded me the perfect launch pad to provision up and conduct some much-needed maintenance on Lexi for our 1,200-mile journey to Padre Island, Texas. I got the pump in. Hey, Double Nickel crew. Well, after a good 3 weeks in the wonderful, free state of Florida, I am finally heading west. I just left the Villages about 10 minutes ago. I replaced my power steering pump, serpentine belt. I'm heading towards Padre Island, Texas. I'm going to try to get at least to Buc-ee, Mississippi, maybe further, and keep your eye out for my videos and posts. Although Lexi and I knocked out 830 miles yesterday and made it to the Texas border, over 300 miles of Texas highway still separates us from the sands of Padre Island. In Houston, I met up with a college friend of mine who I hadn't seen since 1994. We've changed some, but I must say, not bad for a couple 50-somethings. "1,400 miles ago and back in Florida, Missy insisted that if I passed a Buc-ee's that I just had to stop and experience it. And now I see why. Buc-ee's is like a 7-Eleven on steroids. Over 60,000 square feet of food and drink, and at least 50 gas pumps. I think everything is just a little bit bigger in the state of Texas. Finally, Lexi and I approach Corpus Christi, Texas, where we'll base ourselves for a couple days getting ready for our epic trip to Padre Island National Seashore. Unexpectedly, we pass one of our nation's largest civil engineering projects, the Harbor Bridge, which will be the nation's largest cable-stayed bridge when completed in 2024. Hey, Double Nickel crew. Just spent the last 2 nights at Holiday Inn Express here in Corpus Christi, Texas. A beautiful day today. I'm guessing it's probably 70 degrees. I'm going to head to Padre Island. I hope you join me. Padre Island is about 15 or 20 miles southeast of Corpus Christi, Texas. You cross over the waterway to the world's longest barrier island, but before you get to the beachfront, we travel through seagrass and sand dunes. setting up the Skycamp and putting up holiday lights. And I hope the tide doesn't come all the way up and devour Lexi. This is my view from the Skycamp. The sun's setting behind me. It's about 5:45. And that's the Gulf of Mexico, and hopefully it doesn't come and take me and Lexi away in the middle of the night. Hey Double Nickel crew, I really hope that you enjoyed this episode, and I really hope you join me on the next as I make my way towards a Christmas in Colorado, but not before experiencing some major malfunctions in the northern plains of Texas. And my greatest wish is that this episode has earned your subscription. If so, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell.